In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purge the undo history in Adobe Photoshop. If you've been working on a complex file and notice Photoshop slowing down, or you've finished a series of edits you're confident about, clearing your undo history can help free up memory and keep things running smoothly. The undo history is a stack of states that lets you step back through your actions. It's incredibly useful while you're experimenting, but it does take up resources. Purging that history removes those stored states for the active document while keeping your current artwork exactly as it is on screen. Start by opening Photoshop. With your project on screen, you're ready to access the command that clears the undo stack for the current document. You'll find it in the top menu bar. Go to Edit, then hover over Purge and choose Histories. When you select Histories, Photoshop will clear the list of previous states associated with the Open Documents History panel. This is a decisive action. After purging, you won't be able to press Undo to step back through earlier edits made before the purge. Your canvas won't change, your layers remain intact, and your file is not deleted. You simply won't have the ability to revert to those earlier checkpoints. A quick note on what to expect. Depending on your version and settings, Photoshop may ask you to confirm the purge, reminding you that it cannot be undone. That's by design. The purpose of purging is to commit to the current state and free up memory that was reserved for stepping backward. If you don't see the option available, or it appears grayed out, it usually means there's nothing to clear. Perhaps you haven't made any changes yet, or the history has already been reset. After you choose histories, carry on working as normal. You should find the application a bit more responsive, especially on large documents or after long editing sessions. Remember, this command affects only the currently active document. If you switch to another file, its history remains untouched. To recap, open Photoshop, then go to Edit, Purge, and select